Good day to you, sir, madam. I'm Jeda Isla, 23 years old, single. I am a graduate computer programming. My duties and responsibilities include mopping the floor, cooking, ironing, washing, and taking the children.
Okay, so good day to you, Miss Jedayan. How are you?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
So what are the advantages of the employer they will hire you, Miss Jedayan?
Sir, madam, I'm hardworking, patient, loyal, and honest.
Okay, so since this is your first time to work in abroad, so how will you avoid homesickness?
I will make myself busy to my work.
Okay, Miss Jedayan, can you sing a song for your employer's children?
Yes, sir, madam. Read your Bible, pray every day, pray every day, pray every day. Read your Bible, pray every day. Will you grow, grow, grow? Will you grow, grow, grow? Will you grow, grow, grow? Read your Bible, pray every day. Will you grow, grow, grow?
Okay, thank you for the very nice song, Miss Jedayan. Okay, so can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will, sir, madam, I will give the food, vitamins, and I will play with them.
Okay, so what if you commit a mistake and the employer scolds you? What will you do, Miss Jedayan?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry, and I will never do it again.
Okay, so do you have a message to your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me because I need this job to support my family financially, and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you, Miss Jedayan. Hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.